Although Israel did attend school, he was rarely in the classroom. Most of his time on campus was spent pursuing his passion, music.
Well, in intermediate, I think he only came to school to play music underneath the tree. There was a tree, and the bell would ring and everybody would go to class. And when the bell rings to change classes, he's still under the tree. Lunchtime, he's under the tree, and everybody's sitting with him while he's playing music. The bell rings to go to class, and he's still under that tree.
Musical talent ran in the family, and it soon became evident that Iz had inherited the magical voice of his mother's brother, Kamakawiwo'ole. While Skippy Kamakawiwo'ole was the serious, studious musician in the family, Israel's natural talent often surpassed his older brothers, a situation which sparked a sibling rivalry.
We were just messing around and stuff like that. And then Israel would always want to come there and, play the ukulele. And then Skippy would say, "Get away from me." And then one day, Auntie Nani came outside and she told Skippy, don't do that to your brother. Because if you're going to make a band and you want to make it in the music world, you need your brother's voice. And how true that was.
The musical talents of Skippy and Israel proved a winning combination, and the brothers turned professional in their teens, even before young Israel was of a legal age.
My brothers used to play on the alelikai, but Israel was illegal, but he didn't look illegal, see? So he got away with it, and my parents didn't know.
Although Skippy was the spokesperson for the group, it soon became evident that Israel's tremendous voice, wit, and musical talent were forces to be reckoned with.
I was married to his older brother, and one of the things that Skippy used to always say is that, God, he doesn't even have to try. He just opens his mouth and he can sing. Me, I have to try really hard, to really hit my pitches and, and to him, his brother was like flawless. I mean, with no effort, Israel could just sing and Israel could just play. And so he was very much admired by his older brother.
Then, in 1982, tragedy struck. Skippy Kamakawiwo'ole died of a massive heart attack at the age of 28.
Skippy passed away suddenly, and of course it was a devastating thing for Israel, who had always been a thorn in the side of his brother, Peck's bad boy, always doing the wrong thing, but looked up to him. And I think he never felt he could go on without Skippy at first.
As the obvious heir to Skippy's role as the group's frontman, the carefree, rambunctious younger brother was left with big shoes to fill.
Now he finally realized what it was to be in Skippy's shoes. Because Skippy was a very serious person, and who will carry on this responsibility. So he took that responsibility upon himself.